Hey guys, we're here again today at HardRacing doing our rigid series, What's Inside the Box. Today we're doing one of our more popular ones. This is the Tacoma bumper mount, part number 46565. This is for the 16 and up. This actually fits up to 19. I haven't checked yet, verified 20, but definitely covers a few extra years over and beyond what that sticker says. So what comes inside the box, pretty straightforward. It's just two brackets. These are going to be OEM fit brackets. They mount to the bolts that are on the crash bumper, mount inside your bumper, and then they come out, and as you see in the picture here, they will mount right in that little recessed area. You'll basically remove the little black fins that are right there, the little plastic ones, and the bar goes right there. These will mount directly to your stock bumper inside the crash bar mount, basically where the stock bar is, so you don't have to figure out your own holes or drill your own holes or anything like that for these mounts. And they're made to work with an SR Series 30-inch light. We're going to actually mount that to our Tacoma. We'll show you exactly what it looks like. It's pretty straightforward and easy to do, but that is what you get in the kit. So basically OEM mount, and then of course use it with a SR Series 30-inch light bar. If you enjoyed our video, please be sure to click subscribe. We're going to make a bunch more. Also click the bell logo next to it so you get notified for future videos. Please leave a comment below as well with your feedback, positive, negative. We just want to hear your feedback. And if you're interested in any rigid products, be sure to send us an email. We have coupon codes to help get a little extra discount. And of course, the #1 way to get a hold of us, email, phone call, or directly through our website at hardracing.com.